What's going on, everyone? It's Jamie here from Shopify Masterclass, and in this video, I'm going to be going over 3 Shopify blogging tips that are going to help you start to generate traffic for your Shopify blog so you can start increasing your search rankings, hopefully bringing more traffic to your store that end up converting and end up becoming customers. Blogging is a viable channel to acquire customers as you are first educating them before asking them to purchase, establishing yourself as an authority figure so they come to trust you and your brand. Before I dive into it, I want to mention our sponsor Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. Is going to allow you to skip your spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations. All you have to do is click the calendar, select your date range, to give you a ton of detailed analytics. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial. I'm also going to show a quick promotional video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover Profit Calc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy-to-read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Let's dive into the blogging tips now. The first one is going to be very simple, and it's going to be consistent. Don't write 5 blog posts one week, then not post for another 3 months. Make sure you're releasing your blog posts on a steady cadence. This way, Google looks at the blog and says, okay, this blog has been around for a little while now, it's posting consistently, and it's continuing to update the internet with new content. Google loves to see this here. They do the same thing with YouTube as well, so if you're uploading on a consistent basis, that's a positive signal to them. The way to do this is to really set a cadence that you can release at. Maybe it's once a week, maybe it's twice a week, maybe it's once a month. You just want to be consistent here. One of the best things to do is just simply, if you're in an inspirational mood, write a bunch of blog posts at once and then set them to release over a set period of time. This is going to make it easier as you don't have to create one every single day or every time you're planning to post. You have them ready to go. Another way to do this is to create a list of possible posts here. Have an ongoing list of posts you want to do, of inspiration you have. This can make the process much easier when it comes to writing. This leads me to my second tip here, and that's going to be to use AI. So you can use artificial intelligence to help generate content for you, and it's going to help speed up the process. Now, there are plenty of tools out there. A lot of them require a monthly subscription. I found a great way to try this out. Also, get a lifetime subscription is to use an app service such as AppSumo, where you can get lifetime subscriptions to different pieces of software. A lot of these are limited time only, so you should make sure you jump on them if you aren't interested. They also have a 60-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked as well. I personally use that, and it makes the process super easy. So if you go to example here, one I recently looked at is called Neuron Writer. It uses semantic recommendations to boost your SEO and plan high-ranking content. They do have an AI generator here as well. You get 15,000 credits per month. I personally have a subscription to Write Cream. It's another AI generator tool, and they all sit on top of GPT-3, which is an AI tool to generate content, and has gotten a lot better over the last few years. It makes it really easy to create a long form copy, and it does have a long form editor in most of them. Just as a quick example, if I wanted to write a post on how to surf, I could expand it there, and it's going to write some content for me. Now this content should all be original here as it's using GPT-3, and a lot of times it's not perfect here, but it can really help jumpstart the process and save you a lot of time. So you're more editing rather than writing from scratch. The third and final tip here is going to be keyword research. You want to be writing content people are searching for. You want to be looking at long tail content here, especially if you're new to blogging, as it's going to be easier to rank for. What I mean by long tail content is less search volume and very specific here on how to answer an actual query. You can do this anything around your niche or your store to help start generating keyword traffic. In terms of tools, you can use Google Keyword Planner. There's also tools such as Ubersuggest, Ahrefs. If you use more of these SEO focused tools such as Ubersuggest, let's say I want to search for the keyword how to surf as a beginner, and I click search here, actually optimize the keyword just to how to surf as there's more search volume, but it just gives you a detailed breakdown of how much volume it is, what's the pay difficulty in case you're interested in that, as well as the different age ranges. It's also going to give you recommended keywords. So maybe you could do how to learn how to surf. That might be a more desirable keyword here. You can do a lot of keyword hunting, and it's going to give you a lot of data, including things such as the SEO difficulty. So you can see how difficult it is to rank some of these keywords here. To learn how to surf near me doesn't have a lot of search volume and a decent SEO difficulty. How to surf in Pokemon Sword, probably not related, but this one would be really hard to rank for as it is 72. Knowing what content to write is really just as important as writing the content here. So make sure you're doing your research before writing your posts, because you want your post to actually have the ability to get any traffic. So keyword research is vital. So this is going to conclude the video here on Shopify blogging tips. I quickly went over 3 different tips today. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that helped you with your Shopify blog. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store comes with a 15-day free trial. There's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.